Yep, ready for go gym. And somebody always late.
And I always late, my friend.
You're always late, my youth.
And then people always rush in and leave something.
Releasing dopamine.
Hey, Slinky Winky. Wagwan Vlog World, we are here. And guess where we're at? Miss Sanders, tell them. Tell them where we're
We're at the Galleria.
Galleria.
We're at St. Louis Galleria.
We're big Galleria, Joe. That's what they call it. I just have work off. I'm good. I have my wife already. Miss Sanders. And today, we're going to find some stuff to do.
No, you don't mean like that.
Yeah, she said today she's going Cinnabon. No, that was where is that, Miss Sanders? So you're going to do what?
I don't mean like that.
So why?
Cinnabon right here, so.
Me not like that. Me not like that. We not like that.
I want bun.
Wow. My name.
First, I forgot looking at some store.
Yeah.
I see they have skincare stuff over there.
Yeah. So
Can
today,
you get me a present?
yeah, soon she'll drop that in a middle of the vlog. She'll be tripping now. But anyway, peeps, we're gonna be doing some exploration in the Galleria store in St. Louis right now. Yeah, as you can see, let me show you around. Come and show you, see? Ooh. See? It's huge. Very, very huge. That's what I'm saying? So, yeah. Yeah, we here, man. Where? By the way, where my sign us gone? Alright, peeps, we here now. We're going to start walking.
No, this is a mall. The last mall we go to.
Yeah, this more have more people there. Because where we go, our Moses did meet God and get the 10 commandments. Your place named Chesterfield. You know what I mean? Wall Street. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're here.
Sunglasses hot.
See?
Shit, babe, I can't test my eye.
Sure?
Yeah, but not today.
Not today. Oh, look how close. We're going to shopping. See Victoria's Secret up there? What is Victoria's Secret? Ever wonder?
Song.
A lie, she have money. Yeah, I don't know Victoria's Secret. Oh, Miss Dinah, sweet. She be, oh my God, this looks so nice. Yeah.
Why is he dancing by himself?
I don't know. He's a dancer like me. I dance by myself.
Is up there.
Amazon. Oh yeah, I need my money. Let me go get my AdSense. No, I Google that. You stupid. Boy, Lacoste.
Babe, we're not done that mall for today.
What do you mean by we can't done it? We can't really done it. What are you talking about? We can't done it. You mean run go left and you go right, right? Have you?
1, 2.
No, you'll be tripping now. You'll be tripping. There it is. Oh boy. Everybody up in the mall. Everybody looking on us weird. Yes, we YouTubers. I ain't ashamed. I get paid.
We don't care.
I don't care. But you know, at one time, I usually afraid though. We go back here over there. No.
The man look on and say,
yeah, but she understands. So when she see what he can do.
Alright,
oh
lock
my
off
God.
that. No, we are going to Amazon.
No, me not lock off nothing. What you talking about? Oh my God. Look guys, we're at Amazon. 4-star. Oh yeah. Oh wow. This is a beautiful store. Wow. Oh my God. You have a lot of things in here. Oh my God.
Is that an Alexa?
Echo. That's an Alexa cousin. Echo. Well, they're pretty much the same, but Amazon make one. And oh God, it's so techy in here. Guys, I wish I could show you this. But I don't know if we're allowed to even vlog in here, but I'm vlogging. You see we're unruly? Oh my God. Oh wow, this is a screen. Wow. Oh wow. That's, the Echo Show. Oh, this is pretty much a digital clock. Pretty much, this is dope.
Yes.
Yeah, this is bad.
It's just $40.
$14. That's dope, boy. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, but we already have one, Miss Agnes, remember? $19. Yeah, that's cool. You know, guys, you know how much you know how much money I spent for this in Jamaica? Bruh, in Jamaica, I paid $11,000 for this, for one of that. The fire stick. Crazy. Come on, Miss Agnes, you know you're going to use it. You be tripping now. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, these are kidneys, like classic kidneys. Yep, that's what it is, man.
You don't know what I look for phone.
Yeah, she's gonna come in the Amazon store and look for phone. She be cheap. Oh, look. Oh my God, we found Fitbit, guys. We found Fitbit.
It's so cheap.
It's cheap, but we probably broke. So right now.
Oh
So,
my God.
yeah, it's cool. It's called Halo View. Look, it's pretty cool. Only $79. Yeah, we see some good stuff in here. Echo frames, Alexa, soap dispenser. Why would I buy it? These are rings, doorbells, special
Oh my God,
doorbell.
that was a camera.
Look at this, dude. Well, it has a camera in it. It does have a camera in it. Huh? It does have a camera in it. But anyway, peeps, let's go. You seen a whole lot of stuff in here, man. Let's go and join the video boy, though. We there, yeah? Alright. Yo, what up, bro?
How we doing? My name Cortez. I'm from East St. Louis, you know.
Straight.
Everybody have a blessed day, you know.
Alright, shout out to Cortez, man. Good to see you, bro. Hey. Hey. Shout outs to Cortez, man. Just saying. Shout out. St. Louis people. I did not surprise that. Oh, expect that, I should say. But here we are. The Christmas tree. Yay. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. From me I live for much years. You never do nothing for me. Just saying. Let's go. Let's keep it moving. Yeah, this is a wishing well. A liar.
Nobody wish
no wish. No, I'm telling you something. Then take your kind them and go buy it here. And that them do you see all like kind them.
But
there.
I will leave a kind.
I will leave a kind. Them I use it by here.
Oh shit, they have a photo studio.
I trick them a trick way.
Propose to me now.
What?
Excuse me, I don't mean to interrupt again, but I was trying to see what's your name on YouTube.
Oh, gee.
Sinus.
Yeah.
Let me show you. I'm sorry. So we have two channels.
Yeah.
Sinus Entertainment.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Yeah.
And then we have Sinus
Sinus
Gaming,
Gaming,
where we
which we
focus
just
on
launched.
video games.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cool. Yeah.
There you go.
here we
This
are.
one just started up, so.
Yeah, this one we're gonna put it on.
I'm gonna subscribe and I'm gonna like to y'all channel.
Thank
Alright,
you.
shout out, man.
Blessed day.
Oh, blessed day, man. Oh, wow. We just gotta subscribe, just like that.
On both channels.
On both channels. Woohoo! Banana Republic, good brand. Oh, God. What?
It's Santa. Go sit in Santa's now.
Oh,
There's
hell no. Now, you think I'm gay? What you want? Oh, wow, Pandora rum. First of all, I see Santa. Just say wave to him and just say hello. Let him see you. Just say hello.
Wave to him, Santa fish.
Just say no, he's not. What do you talk? I believe in Santa. Stop it.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.